Hello friends, welcome to all of you in this online session. Myself, Sri Subhash Nagarase from Sri Digambar Jain Gurukul Prashala, Solapur. In the previous session, we discussed with the ratio of area of two triangles. At the same time, few problems were discussed on the four properties. Out of this, property 1 is area of ratio of two triangles with unequal base and height. That is A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 into H1 divided by B2 into H2. The second property is ratio of area of two triangles with equal heights, which could be written as A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2. Third property, ratio of area of two triangles with equal bases. So A1 upon A2 is H1 upon H2. Property number 4, ratio of area of two triangles with equal bases and heights, which will be A1 upon A2 is equal to 1 upon 1. So today we will continue with basic proportionality theorem, that is BPT, also known as Thales theorem, and the converse of this BPT. So what is the statement of this basic proportionality theorem? That is, if a line parallel to a side of a triangle intersects the remaining sides in two distinct points, then the line divides the sides in the same proportion. Let us draw the diagram for this. Here it is. From statement and the diagram, the given thing could be written like this. In triangle ABC, line L is parallel to side BC and line L intersects AB and AC in points P and Q respectively. Then what you have to prove is AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. For that, you have to do the construction. Draw segment PC and BQ shown with brown and blue color. Let us carry the proof. In triangle APQ and PCB have equal heights. Triangle APQ is shown with blue color, whereas PQB is shown with green color. These two triangles have equal heights since Q is the common vertex. Therefore, ratio of the area will be area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQB is equal to AP upon PP. Areas proportional to their bases. And area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQC will be AQ upon QC, same as 1, that is area proportional to their bases. Segment PQ is common base of triangle PQB and triangle PQC. Here segment PQ is parallel to segment BC. Hence, triangle PQB and triangle PQC have equal heights. Therefore, area of triangle PQB will be equal to area of triangle PQC. So, we can write from 1, 2 and 3. Area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQB will be equal to area of triangle APQ divided by area of triangle PQC. Therefore, from 1 and 2, we will write that AP upon PB will be equal to AQ upon QC, which is your basic proportionality theorem. Now let us discuss one problem based on this theorem. In triangle DEF, line PQ is parallel to side EF. Here DP is 2.4, P is 7.2, DQ is 1.8. Then we have to find out QF. So we'll do this. What are the given things? DP is 2.4, P is 7.2 and DQ is 1.8. Now in triangle DEF, line PQ is parallel to side EF. Therefore, we can write by using basic proportionality theorem, that is dP upon PE will be equal to dQ upon QF. Substitute the values. 2.4 upon 7.2 is equal to 1.8 upon QF. By cross multiplication, you will get the next step. QF is equal to 1.8 into 7.2 divided by 2.4. So, which will be 1.8 into 3. So, after simplification, you are getting the result QF is equal to 5.4. Now, let us turn to the Next theorem, that is converse of basic proportionality theorem, that is BPT. The statement of this is, if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. The figure will be like this. So what is given will be written from statement and diagram. In triangle ABC, D and E are the 2 points of AB and AC respectively, such that this AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. So what you have to prove then? DE is parallel to BC. In triangle ABC, D and E are 2 points of AB and AC respectively, such that AD upon DB is equal to AE upon AC. It is a given thing. Let us assume that in triangle ABC, the point F on side AC is such that DF is parallel to side BC and AFC is the betweenness. Therefore, by using BPT, we can write AD upon DB is equal to AF upon FC. From 1 and 2, we can write that AE upon EC is equal to AF upon FC. Since in this statement 1 and 2, the left hand side is same, therefore right hand side must be equal. Therefore, adding 1 to both sides, AE upon EC plus 1 will be equal to AF upon FC plus 1. So, the next step will be AE plus EC upon EC is equal to AF plus FC upon FC. This can be also you will be getting by using component 2. So, this AE plus EC is nothing but AC and AF plus FC is nothing but AC. There is a betweenness. Therefore, AC upon EC will be equal to AC upon FC. Therefore, you can write AC is equal to FC. So, from the above, we can say that the point E and F are coinciding on AC, that is DF coincides with DE. Since DF is parallel to BC, we can say that DE is also parallel to BC. Therefore, we can write DE is parallel to BC. Let us discuss one problem based on this theorem. So, in triangle PQR, the given values are PM is equal to 15, PQ is equal to 25, PR is 20, NR you have to NR 8 state whether line NM is parallel to side RQ. Give reason. So we have to show. Now, what is the solution? The given things are PM is 15, PQ is 25, PR is 20, NR is 8. Therefore, now we can write that PM plus MQ is equal to PQ. Since PMQ is the betweenness, putting the values 15 plus MQ is equal to 25. Therefore, MQ is equal to 25 minus 15, that is 10. Also, we can write Pn plus Nr is equal to PR, where PNR is the betweenness. Substituting the values, Pn plus 8 is equal to 20. Therefore, Pn is equal to 20 minus 8, which is 12. Therefore, now this Pn upon Nr, which is equal to 12 upon 8, that gives you 3 by 2. Also, Pm upon MQ is equal to 15 upon 10, that is 3 by 2. From 1 and 2 in triangle PQR, Pn upon Nr is equal to Pm upon MQ. So by the converse of BPT, you will be getting line NM is parallel to side QR. Friends, what we have discussed in this session. First thing is basic proportionality theorem we have read. Secondly, converse of basic proportionality theorem and problems based on these two theorems. So prepare well. For that, some homework is given to you. Can you try these problems? A line cuts two sides AB and AC of triangle ABC in points P and Q respectively. Then show that area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle ABC is equal to AP into AQ divided by AB into AC. In order to solve this problem, one hint is given. You have to draw BQ. It is a construction, so shown with a red color. Try this. Friends, while carrying this mathematics, you should have to keep in mind that mathematics may not teach us how to add love or minus the head, but it gives us every reason to hope that every problem has a solution. So please subscribe, share and like this video. Thank you.